This is section 4.4 on properties of logarithms. Laws of logs, page 390, 4.4. Bottom here. So the log base little a of a times b equals a log base little a of a plus a log base a of b. The log of a product is the sum of the logs. Property 2, log base little a of a over b, log base little a of a minus log base little a of b. The log of a quotient is the difference of the logs. And the power property, log base little a of a to the c is c log base little a of capital A. The log of a power of a number is the exponent times the logarithm of the number. Then we have a change of base formula on page 393, change of base. Log base b of x is log base a of x over log base a of b. Okay, that becomes useful because our calculator can do log base 10 and log base e, either log base 10 or ln. Okay, you do want to get somewhat comfortable with ln because in calculus we'll be dealing mostly with the ln button. Okay, so the homework is 9 to 65 odd. So that's on page 395. There we go. Using a lot of these properties here. And once again, I got to raise the book up. Small over here. And there we go. Okay, so number 9, log of 50 plus log of 200. There's no base here, so it's understood to be 10. So I take the log of 50 times 200. That's the property of logs, the first property. 50 times 200 is 10,000. Okay, call it x, unscramble it. The 10 is understood. 10 to the x is equal to 10,000. So the exponent that you want is 4. So the answer is 4. Log base 2 of 60 minus log base 2 of 15. I can take the log base 2 of the quotient. 60 over 15 is 4. Log base 2 of 4, call it x, unscramble it. 2 to the x equals 4. The exponent that I want is 2. 1/4 log base 3 of 81. I can make the 1/4 climb up to the top here. Log base 3 of 81 to the 4th power. 81 to the 4th means 4th root of 81, which happens to be 3. Log base 3 of 3, call it x. Unscramble it. 3 to the x is 3. X equals 1. Or as we said before, anytime these two numbers match in a log problem, the answer is 1. Log of 10 to the 10,000. Right, well, these two will just cancel out. Log and 10 to the x are inverse functions of each other, so I just have 10,000. And log of 10,000 is 4. That's piggybacking off of problem number 9 that we had over here. Log base 3 of 2xy, it's a product. So log base 3 of 2 plus log base 3 of x plus log base 3 of y. ln, which means log natural log basis e of a cubed. 3 comes in front, 3 ln a. Log base 2 of ab squared, log base 2 of a plus log base 2 of b squared. And then this exponent of 2 gets to come down in front. So log base 2 of a plus 2 log base 2 of b. Log base 5 of this, log base 5 of 3 plus log base 5 of x squared. But since this is a division, it's minus log base 5 of y cubed. And then exponents come down in front. So this 2 comes down here, 3 comes down here. So log base 5 of 3 minus 2 log base 5 of x minus 3 log base 5 of y. ln of x radical y over z. I can write it as x y to the half divided by z to the half. So it's ln of x plus ln of y to the half minus, because there's a division here, ln of z to the half. Half's coming down, so ln x plus half ln y minus a half ln z. Log of the square root of x squared plus 4 over x squared plus 1, x cubed minus 7 squared. So I can write this as x squared plus 4 to the 1/2, x squared plus 1 to the 1/2. The square root of x minus 3 to x cubed minus 7 squared is just going to be x cubed minus 7. So it's a log of this minus the log of this, minus the log of this. And then these halves come down, half log x squared plus 4, minus a half log of x squared plus 1, minus a log of x cubed minus 7. If you want 2 log x minus 3 log x plus 1, we're going backwards. 2 climbs up, 3 climbs up. So log of x squared minus log of x plus 1 cubed. And since there's a subtraction, I will write it as a division, log of x squared over x plus 1 quantity cubed. 53 similar, 4 climbs up, 1/3 climbs up, 2 climbs up. So log x to the 4th minus log of x squared plus 1 to the 1/3 plus log of x minus 1 square. So this is a log of x to the 4th. Minus means this goes in the denominator, and raising something to the 1/3 power means cube root. And this is a plus, so it stays up. So x to the 4th, x minus 1 squared over cube root of x squared plus 1. 57. So 1/3 log of x plus 2 cubed. The 3 can come down, knock out the 1/3, so the coefficient is 1. Okay, and I distribute the half here. So 1/2 log of x to the 4th minus 1/2 log of x squared minus x squared. 2 comes down, knocks out the half, so that's gone. 4 knocks out the half, giving me a 2. Okay, so I have this now. I will factor x squared minus x minus 6 into x minus 3x plus 2. I'll have that 2 climb back up. So it's a log of x plus 2 times x squared and since it's plus this, it's x minus 3 times x plus 2, or x plus 2 squared, looks like there's 2 of them here, times x squared times x minus 3. Change of base rule. So log base 2 of 5, you can pick any base that you want. I'll pick log 5 divided by log 2, 2.321928. Punch it in the calculator. So log 5 over log 2. Log 5 divided by log 2. 2.3219, blah, 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 blah. Get that focused there. Log base 3 of 16, ln 16 over ln 3. You could also use ln. So ln 16 divided by ln 3, 2.523719. And there we go. All right. Okay, so that was section 4.4.